Hello, my beautiful people. Jean Kinnicky here. Just taking a break, chilling out for a little bit, having a cup of tea, and oh, it's been so hot here. I know it's starting to get to be fall up north, and it's pretty chilly. But you know what? In Florida here, it's still hot. It's still hot. Today we're getting a little break in the weather, and looks like we're fixing to get some rain, but it seems like every afternoon or evening we get a downpour. But my tea is very good. Oh, I wanted to show you my teapot. Look at my teapot. It has butterflies. See? I just love it. And bring everybody up to date on my dark opal basil plant. Come with me, come with me. This is my dark basil opal plant. Remember I showed you all when they were just sprouting up? See? I'm so proud of myself for planting these. Here I have two more of the basil plants that I transplanted from here to here. And this is my cactus. Look how huge these leaves are. And look at the roots in it. It's just amazing that it can grow like that. And of course, I have a money tree here. I think that's a money tree. I'm not sure. If anyone knows what kind of a tree this is, please let me know in the comments. I think it's a money tree, but I don't know. But it's nice and green and it's looking healthy. And over here, I transplanted a piece of my thyme plant. I told my pool guy that I'm gonna plant it for him so he can have fresh thyme. So I planted that. And here I have some lemongrass that's sprouting. These two, maybe this one will come back, but I don't know if this one will. So lemongrass. And come with me over here. This is this is my thyme bush. Look how huge it is. Every time I'm ready to cook, I come out here and I get some thyme. And these are lemongrass that's already growing. See the green sprouts that are coming up? That's lemongrass. Of course, I have an IV there. But the most exciting part, look at this. I just took the seeds out of a pepper that I was cooking with, and I threw it in this pot. And look how big it is. And it's growing, and it has pepper on it. Look, there's a pepper. There's more. Look, there's another pepper. There's another one here. I think they're bell peppers.
Yeah, they look like bell peppers.
And look, here's another one. I don't know what that is, if that's a bell pepper or not. I just threw the seeds in here and they're starting to grow. I'm so excited about this. I can't wait to be picking my own pepper. And of course, we have this other other thyme bush that's just taking over the place. Look at it. Look at it. I'll never run out of thyme. It's beautiful and it smells so beautiful here. This is this one here is a lily that my son sent me for Mother's Day. And look how big it is. Maybe it'll flower soon. And that's all I have for this time. When I pick my peppers, I will let you guys see it. Thank you, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited about my peppers. Bye-bye.